What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and Tonic fam, Crow fam. I am back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video. We're gonna go through some Tonic news and updates. I saw they have a little update information in their Discord, and the Tonic Twitter put out a tweet as well. So we're gonna dive into that in this video. Also, some very interesting stuff I'm seeing from the broader markets. Stable coins, fear and greed index. Things are getting more bullish, guys. People are leaving stable coins, getting into back into crypto. They're getting, the investors in the space are getting more and more risk on. They're switching the risk on assets. That's what we like to see, right? That's what will lead us to more bullish momentum in the future, guys. If this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get to 2,000 subscribers. We are super close, and you know, after 2,000, let's head on to 3,000 next. Also support my Tonic playlist and my Tonic shorts, guys. Really helps the channel out. The more you guys support content creators, the more these videos get pushed out, the more Tonic gets into the algorithm, and we get new eyes on the project. More and more people joining the Tonic community. Tonic is down 3.23% on 24 hour. That's fine, because we are still up from the bottom. I would think that was the bottom, $10 million in market cap, and we're still holding strong at $26.23 million in market cap, 277k in 24 hour trade volume, 30,470 people that have Tonic on their watch list, man. That number keeps growing. That is my benchmark number right here. When we see 31,000, check the market cap. When we see 35,000, let's check the market cap. And you know, the number of holders are growing for Tonic as well. Chart is beautiful, up and to the right. Very bullish trend that we're seeing right here. The bottom could potentially be in for the broader market, so I really do think we'll just see moves to the upside, minor retrace, upside, minor retrace, what you would expect from a bull run chart or a bull trend chart, right? That is if we are truly at the start of the bull run, or the bull run has already started. Now, if we take a look at Discord, the Tonic Discord, from CM Gojo Tectonic, good morning Tectonians. Effective on February 2nd, 2023, 6 a.m. UTC, the market parameters for several markets will be updated, which might result in some accounts being liquidated. Please repay loans or top up collateral before the said date to mitigate any liquidation risk. So if you have your loans, you need to repay them or top up collateral before February 2nd, so that you can mitigate any liquidation risk. For details, please refer to the infographic regarding the latest market parameters. And we have the infographic right here, guys. Go and join the Tonic Discord for, you know, information like this. Join their Telegram, become a part of the community, and you know, you don't miss any updates at all. So yeah, make sure you guys get on that before the 2nd of February. Tonic Twitter, 57.3k followers. That number just keeps growing by the day, and they put out a tweet. What are the major tectonic plates? Now what is very interesting is that the Earth's inner core has been reversing, right? Covered that in my previous video. Someone pointed that out in a tweet, and I actually saw news on that, so I went into it and I'm like, is this a sign? This is a sign that the project will go bonkers in the future. Now obviously, no need to focus on price. The utility, the innovation of Tonic is what's going to, you know, lead to its mass adoption. Decentralized finance, and what's happening in more and more banks and the banking system, the previous financial markets, is what's going to lead to Tonic's, you know, growth and mass adoption as a project. But it's just very interesting to me, you know, that all of a sudden the Earth's inner core are reversing, and Tonic is literally focused, you know, its theme is on the tectonic plates, right? What are the major tectonic plates? There's 7 major plates, which are African, Antarctic, Eurasian, Indo-Australian, North American, Pacific, and South American. And you know, I just think it's funny that the Earth's core is literally reversing right now. Tectonic shifts are literally happening as we speak. Shango said, and tectonic plates made the earth habitable. Sag, send it Tonic. Bushido with the eyes. Oscar saying cool. Rodney said LFG. Mr. Shadow. DC guy. Manny, hold up, let him cook. Mando, let's go. Christian, I love Tonic. Land FS. Great stuff, man. Absolutely great stuff that we're seeing here. Community super active, 385 likes, 107 retweets, 23.7k views on that, y'all. Absolutely great, man. Absolutely great stuff, guys. I'm telling you, project is super bullish. Love to see it. Love to see it. I'm just giving these tweets some likes. I'm just giving these tweets some likes, you know, just helping out the cause real quick. Don't mind me, guys. Alright, from Shango, we all know something is coming with Tectonic Phi crypto, right? Plate tectonics is what modulates our atmosphere at the longest time scales. You need that to be able to keep water here, to keep it warm, to keep life chugging along. Tectonic is a Cronos engine. I like where he's going with that, man. Great stuff, man. Shout out to all the community members in Tonic. You guys are absolutely crushing it. Siobhan Johnson, every time I look at my bag and it's going down, it's seldom. Tonic is doing it. Look just marvelous at this strength. And Tectonic holding up so well. So well. So well, guys. Like, it's holding so strong. From Francis Wong, do you believe Crow will bring us financial freedom? Crow fam, heart no, leave a comment. Definitely believe Crow and its ecosystem will bring financial freedom, or at least the opportunity for us to control our money in the future, right? From Sejul, the total crypto market cap has once again risen above 1 trillion. So the total crypto market cap once again above 1 trillion. We are getting more and more bullish, guys. The overall markets are getting more and more bullish. Crypto fear and greed index, we're sitting at a 55. We're in greed. It's been a while since we've been in greed, guys. You know, and when you're in greed, when you're in a greed market, guess what happens? Retail investors, investors in general, when we're in bullish markets, that's when they flip from risk off to risk on. And that's when they start to FOMO into projects, man. But if you are accumulating at the lows or DCAing in even now, you're good to go. From Captain Fibic, it's just the beginning of the altcoin rally. This is the total altcoin market cap, guys. Crypto total market cap. This is the total market cap on the altcoins. We literally just broke this falling wedge. Falling wedge, you know, is the pattern where the chart is just falling and then it compresses, right, with the lines. And then when you break to the upside, we have a squeeze that pushes us up much further, right? So with the altcoin market cap breaking this falling wedge and having such you know, such momentum to make this move up, expect Tonic to follow with the rest of the market, guys. Everything is correlated, guys. I'm telling you, this is something you can't miss. You know, there's a lot more potential gains in the future, because this move is just gonna be, you know, to me, a short-term move to if you compare what we could expect in 2024, 2025, when Bitcoin goes through its halving, right? And we have a video right here. The future is upon us, guys. The future is developing, and you know, I really think the driving factor behind the world elite, the World Economic Forum, is money. It's the finances, right? Check this video out.
I just paid using only my palm at the grocery store without credit cards and cash. Let me show you how it works. You need to sign up on Amazon One kiosk, you insert your credit card and the machine scans both of your palms. Then you enter your mobile number and
So we have a machine right here scanning your palms with your card information.
agrees with terms of use. You're all set. I didn't believe that it worked that simple and decided to check it straight away. I just got something to drink and went to the cashier. And this is the moment. I just paid using my palm.
And then the person can literally pay with the palm of their hands, guys. The systems are advancing, guys. It reminds me of, a lot of the tinfoil hat movies I've watched, a lot of the things I've seen. I research a lot of these things, but obviously I can't speak about them on YouTube or else my videos will get taken down. I do have a Rumble as well. I'm not sure if I should utilize the platform more and go deeper into these type of into this type of content. Let me know in the comment section if you guys would enjoy stuff like that. But just like that, from this, we have her scanning her hands with her card information, and then being able to pay with her palm, guys. This is absolutely crazy stuff. They'll be tracking. There's gonna be with DeFi, decentralized finance, you don't have to worry about these type of things, but trust, they'll be tracking every payment you make, everything you do. Programmable money with the CBDCs. If you exceed your carbon limits, you buy too much like I said, steak, or you like steak like me, all of a sudden they put a freeze on your CBDC bank account. These are the things that could potentially happen in the future, guys. We're in a tinfoil hat when I speak like this, but this is the reason why I chose to dive deep into crypto, guys. This is the reason why, I really do believe decentralization is the future. This is another great video that I found. We'll cover that in the next video. And from Wall Street Silver, great place here to end off the video. Will you eat the bugs? European Union begins adding bug additives to food. Now, the reason why they're doing this is for, the environment, for carbon. But I don't want to eat bugs, y'all. I don't think any of you guys want to eat bugs either. And all of the information is right here before Google starts censoring this information. And a lot of people would not agree with eating the bugs, but this is what is being pushed. I saw videos where there were kids eating like cricket infused snacks, so this is what is being pushed upon us. This is why I believe decentralization is the future, so we could push back and still have some type of control. Let me get your thoughts on all of these things that I'm covering in the video. I'm treading very lightly because YouTube would see videos like this and take them down instantly. I'm telling you, it's crazy out here. But yeah, Tonic fam, Crow fam, if you believe in DeFi, right? If you believe in the Cronos ecosystem, what I showed you previously in the Gary Orr video on why Cronos was a crypto.com company was founded in the first place. If you believe in their mission and what they're setting out to do, right? Let me get your thoughts in the comment section. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. This is your first time hearing about Tonic and Cronos. Let me get your thoughts in the comment section as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.